And welcome everybody. Will here. I did say I was going to upload a video, everything I've got about the Itzhak Bentov meditation method. And so here it is. Without any further ado, hope you guys enjoy. So the first thing that I did was kind of set the stage, step number one. And that's really just getting comfortable, loosening up. I put on some very loose, comfortable clothes. I found a spot in my house. It's a spot where it's super quiet. I'm just able to relax a little bit. I've done a little bit of meditation before. I do some yoga. But this meditation really requires you to get loose first because you're going to be sitting for a little while. I'm just kind of taking some deep breaths, just trying to relax. I'm trying to get my heart rate and brain just kind of relaxing. That's number two. Heart-brain synchrony is what I've got here. It's bringing attention to the gentle beat of your heart. So I am sitting here relaxing. I am doing nothing but just kind of just bringing light attention to it. Bentov believed that focusing on the rhythmic pumping action of the heart helps entrain the nervous system and brain waves in a harmonious pattern. So here we are trying everything and giving it full effort. Number three is the image. So number three for me, and like I said, this can always change a little bit for you, but this is the meditation that I've written. So step three is the image. What we're going to imagine here is a tiny, perfectly balanced pendulum swinging inside your head. First, kind of side by side, very nicely, very gently. Then it's going to start going front to back, moving with your breath. So you're breathing in and it's going to go forward towards you, and then you're going to breathe and it's going to go past you. And so we're just going to focus on this pendulum for a little while. This image reflects Bentov's idea that the body is a mechanical oscillator. Let the swing gradually slow down until it feels almost motionless. So as your heart's pumping, as you're feeling these small sensations within you, try to focus on this pendulum. And you'll see the pendulum at first be very it should be a little wild as your body is wild. And as your body settles down, the pendulum will settle down and kind of sync up. Step four is called expand awareness. Without effort, notice subtle bodily sensations, the pulse in your hands, the hum of blood flow, the faint ringing of silence. Bentov described this stage as tuning into micro vibrations of the body's biological antenna. So once again, I am just relaxing. I'm just noticing some of the twitches, just bringing awareness to it in my mind. So my mind knows it's there. And so my mind just can focus there. Step five is going to be holographic mind. Now we're going to shift your awareness outward while keeping the inner stillness. So imagine the room, the planet, even the universe as a single field of vibrating information, like a hologram where each part contains the whole. Allow the sense of you and everything to blend. That's part five. Like I said, this is a heavy meditation. Taking my glasses off. This gets a little tough. This is not an easy, just simple prayer, simple, yoga style meditation. This is a very science-based one. So holographic mind, step five, we are shifting our awareness outward while keeping the inner stillness. And that's the important thing. You've got to harness that inner stillness first before trying to shift anything. But when you do master that inner stillness, it's supposed to be you're shifting your awareness outward and imagining the room, the planet, the universe as a single field of vibrating information. And it's supposed to be allowing you and everything to blend. Let those words and those thoughts sink in a little bit. Number six is our gentle return. After a few minutes, deepen the breath. Feel the weight of your body and slowly open your eyes. Pause before moving to notice any lingering sense of spaciousness. Now that's important. Bentov emphasized that the goal isn't for force visions or stop thoughts, but to observe the body's natural oscillations until you sense the larger field of consciousness that he believed permeates the universe. Well, let's just talk about that. So the goal wasn't to force visions or say, force your brain to come up with something and say, I saw something or I felt something. The idea here is to really relax and get really, you hear it all the time, get in more sync with your body and your mind. And I think that is very true, but no longer for just metaphorical reasons. And I think that's really where Bentov, being a actual inventor and someone bringing actual physics to the table, he was trying to get some measurable senses in meditation. That is a very difficult subject, especially for someone to try to tackle back in the 70s. No computers, there was very little communication back there about these type of subjects. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do, please hit that like, hit that subscribe. Please comment down below. I do plan on doing a follow-up video for this, so stay tuned. You guys have a great day.